Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Takoa and I have some tea to spill, okay? I just received some happy mail from the Happy Planner that are Amazon exclusives. They are the new Happy Plans and Notes, and I know you guys probably already heard about it. It's floating around out there and you might be wondering, what are the Happy Plans and Notes? Well, the Happy Planner sent me 4 different planners in 2 different sizes. And so I have the big and in the classic. And so I want to go ahead and flip through them and show them to you. So you might be wondering, Takoa, what is a Happy Plans and Notes? Is it a planner or is it a notebook? It's actually both. So if you want to check out the inside of this and see what is included in this Happy Plans and Note by the Happy Planner that is only sold and exclusive to Amazon, then make sure you follow me. All right, so starting off with the new Happy Plans and Notes, this one is called New Day and it is in the big size and it is going to come with 11 of these white solid plastic discs. Take a look. Gorgeous. And something new are the covers. The covers are actually frosted plastic covers, and this one has gold foiling accents on here, as well as a quote that says present over perfect, and the back is actually just a frosted black cover. So cute. And then you have your Happy Planner logo on there. And so now you may be wondering, like, what's included in these Happy Plans and Notes? Like, I want to know what is included. Well, what's included in these new Happy Plans and Notes are 6 sticker sheets, monthly calendar pages, and we're going to get some dividers, a yearly overview, and then some lined note pages. So let's take a look inside of the New Day planner. All right, and so in the inside, we have this cute little decorative page here. And then we're gonna first check out our 6 sticker sheets. And these are great for labeling your monthly calendar pages, and as well as adding in those reminders for important dates or events with these beautiful, cute little icon stickers here. And so this is a very neutral color scheme in this New Day, black, white, and grays. Really, really cute. And then next up, we have a little creative space section here. So you can customize this however you like. This one actually has a dot grid section here. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a dot grid section here. And then this next section is a graphed. And then you have your line and then a blank section here. So again, this is your creative space to do whatever you want. All right, now we are going to be moving on to our yearly overview pages. This section here is perfect for noting those special dates and important reminders, appointments, or even special events in here too. On the back of our yearly overview page is actually a lined page on the back, which it'll be really great to make some to-do lists or extra reminder dates to remember section here. And so now we're going to be getting into our monthly calendar pages, and each calendar page is actually going to have this creative space here that you can actually use as your currently page or as your monthly highlight section. But again, you can customize this and be creative as you like. All right, now we're going to move into our monthly page. These are going to be undated. We have those 6 sticker sheets in the front of our planners to help us go ahead and fill in our monthly plans as we move throughout the year. We're going to get 12 of these undated monthly calendars. All of the Happy Plans and Notes are going to actually have 12 months in here. And again, they are undated. All right, then we're going to move into our dividers. So we're going to get nice, sturdy, plastic, solid dividers. This one is like a white plastic divider. Then we get a black divider. And then we get a clear frosted divider, and then again a black one. And All right, so these happy plans and notes are going to come with 68 lined pages, and they are front and back lined. And so you'll be able to make your list, take notes, utilize this space however you want, make a budget tracker. You can add recipes in here, make a goal progress section. The possibilities are endless. So you get 68 sheets of this in this one. And this is what the back looks like. Again, frosted cover. And this is the New Day Happy Plans and Notes. So I hope you guys are excited about this collection, but I have more to share with you. All right, so this Happy Plans and Notes is in a big size, and it is going to come with 11 solid pink plastic discs, or at least the color on the description says pink, but it looks a little coral color to me. And it also is going to come with some frosted plastic covers, y'all. I just love these frosted covers. So it's like in this beige frosted cover, and then you have some gold foiling on there as well. And it also is going to come with a quote that says, "Plant dreams, pull weeds, and grow a happy life." So cute. So let's check out the back side. Can't forget the back. And then the back is also detailed in these florals. So cute. Really pops. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip through the inside. Again, it is going to look just like the New Day, but of course it's going to be a little different because each planner is going to be different in its own way and color scheme. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so that was a look at Simple Florals, Happy Plans and Notes. Again, this is in the big size because it comes with 11 of these solid pink plastic discs, and I absolutely love it. So I love the color scheme in this one. This is kind of more my style, so I have more to show you. So moving right along, I'm gonna go ahead and show you 2 of the classic Happy Plans and Notes that I received. All right, so now we're gonna check out the Vintage Florals, Happy Plans and Notes, and this is in the classic size, and it is going to come with 9 solid plastic white discs on there. Super cute. And the cover, it also is a frosted textured matte plastic cover, and I just love how it has this gold foil florals on here. Super cute. And then the back is just a plain frosted textured matte frosted cover. Super cute. So let's go ahead and check out the inside of this new Vintage Florals Happy Plans and Notes. Like I told you, we are going to get 6 sticker sheets in these Happy Plans and Notes. And so this is the classic size. And as you can see, we have 6 punch sticker sheets, and they are in the shades of gray and black with matte paper stickers so that we'll be able to label our months and also date them and start planning with them. So those are the 6 calendar pages. Now we are going to move into our yearly overview. We have there. And then we're going to move into our undated 12. We're going to move into our monthly calendar pages. And again, this is going to be for 12 months in this classic size as well. And we are also going to get that creative space in the beginning. And then also our monthly page here. And then on the back, we get our line page for additional notes. So that was 1 month there. All right, next up is going to be the Modern Mosaic Classic Size Plans and Notes. And it is going to come with 9 solid pink plastic discs on here. And I cannot wait to show you this. This is probably one of my favorites. So let's go ahead and check out the frosted plastic cover. It actually features rose gold foiling with a quote that says, "These are the days." And it is so cute. I'm loving all the rose gold, the pinks. So that's giving you a little idea of what color scheme is gonna look like in the inside. So let's check out the back before we move to the front. But I want to also mention that it not only has this quote, but it also has a little detail in there. It's like a little herringbone design in the background of that quote, and I think it's really cute. And so that is actually going to flow all the way to the back of this cover. But again, this is frosted white, and it only highlights the design because of the white page on here. So cute. So let's go ahead and check out the inside of this Modern Mosaic Happy Plans and Notes. So as you can see, Happy Plans and Notes can be a planner and a notebook. The possibilities are endless, and so I hope you guys enjoyed me flipping through and showing you in the inside of the classic size and the big Happy Plans and Notes, exclusive to Amazon only. I will also put my Amazon storefront affiliate link in the description box below. Please go ahead and use that affiliate link because that also supports my tea party and also helps this channel as well. I cannot wait to hear how you're going to be using your Happy Plans and Notes. And I will also be showing you guys how I'm going to be setting up one of these planners here and what I'm going to be using it for. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.